Hello everyone, welcome back. A new year, a new apron, right? I actually have quite a few bits of news for you, and some of it is why this painting is inspired today. So first thing is I was accepted into the one show that I apply to every year, Artigras. So it will be in Palm Beach Gardens. I will link the details for it, but if you're in the area and you want to come and see my artwork in person, I'll be releasing the booth number on all my social media once I get it, but that is going to be February 18th and 19th. So I'm always very excited. It has a ton of great artists there. I personally love just walking around and looking at all the other booths. So I will have a video of prepping for art shows coming out as well. And tonight's video is inspired by, the colors are inspired by some coasters that I was making. They are beautiful, they shine in the light, and I love the color combination. So I'll tell you more about that in just a little bit. I also wanted to let you know that I have been working for quite some time. I just couldn't really get it all together, but I have been working on a new course, and it is all about the cells that I get, the cells and the lacing that I get. So I go through cells with silicone, I go through cells without silicone, and I go through cells with swiping and lacing with swiping as well. So some Australian Floetrol, and I have been experimenting with other ways to get that lacing because so many people have asked. So I'm thinking maybe around March or so, maybe mid-March, the course will come out. I'll keep you updated. It's obviously going to be on our Smart Art Courses platform with all of the other courses. And I'm just really excited about it. I've put a lot of my energy and time into this, and I hope for those that would like to view it will find it really helpful. So those are my two big pieces of news for now. That was a lot. I'm going to go ahead and get started on this. I've been working a lot with silver, and I really like the gold in this one. And so my green color that I'm using, and these are paint and water, my green color that I'm using is a color that I made out of Viridian green, sap green, and gold. And it just gives it a really pretty depth and sheen to it, adding a metallic into the colors. And that's this green color. The magenta, which is the Pantone color of 2023, I mixed magenta with some rose madder together. And then I am using gold and white. And my base is just middle gray and black. And that is it. Now, I have a ton of people always ask me, why did you put the tape down if you're just going to blow along that line? And it is just to give me a sense of where my colors are going to meet. So I get this comment all the time, like, what did the tape do, haha? Well, nothing really, but it helps guide me. Let me pop these air bubbles. Oh, I'm running out of butane here. All right, let's see how long it takes for this apron to get ruined. All right, I'm gonna blow this out. Okay, so now for the fun part is I'm going to take the tape off and throw this away. And now it's also going to give me a good line to pour the paints so that they'll stick to the canvas there and be bold in the center and then soft as I blow them out. All right, here we go. I'm using the orange frog tape this time. Oh, my hands are already messy. Because one, it's what I had, and two, I'm trying to keep this one clean. I almost just, I guess it's what it's for, right? Now I completely forgot what I was saying to you. Oh, the orange, the paint. It's like I'm just sitting here talking to you at the dining room table. The orange is a heavy duty sticky, but it's actually not as thick as the green. So the green is actually still my favorite. The green frog tape is my favorite painter's tape. All right, here we go. Got my edges covered. Yeah, Artigras is so much fun every single year. I'm so excited about it. And I have followers that come out and meet me every year. And I love meeting everybody and hearing everybody's stories. All right, let's get started here, yeah? So I'm gonna start. I've been thinking about this. I think I'm gonna start with the green because both of these colors are transparent, or semi-transparent, I should say. And so I am worried a little bit about it getting lost on the darker base. So I was gonna start maybe with the white to be opaque, but I think I'm just gonna start with the green. And I'm gonna do a couple of different layers through here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the white next. And I'm layering it this way as well because when I put that magenta, I wonder if I should do a little bit of gold too in there. When I put that magenta along that green, I don't want them to blend too much. You know, I actually really missed my blowouts that I do in different directions. All I've been doing lately when I do a blowout are those beautiful flowers because I've had a lot of commissions for them. But it's like you forget and it's fun to go back to the things that you used to do. Okay, that's plenty of that color. And this magenta actually comes out to be a beautiful purple color on the dark base, which is really nice. Okay, I think I'm gonna go. Woo! Okay, last little drizzle of the white here to brighten this up against the dark base. And so when I blow this out, I'm gonna start in the center here and kind of blow down this way and up this way, but there's a lot of paint here in the center, so I'm gonna try to push it off this way and then down. I don't know, we'll see. One thing that has not changed in the new year is my indecisiveness. All right, okay, let's go. Okay, this color combination is really, really pretty. I love the cells that popped up as the paint stretched out, and I like the striations that came from the colors themselves. The one little thing where I did this white, I want that gone. So I've got some big, bold pops of color, soft, wispy edges. This right here is absolutely stunning. I'll show you in the wet result. The wispiness and the fanning of this one out this way, I like everything about these, actually. Color combination, it's dark, it's rich. Just a bright pop of color. Would go really good on like sage green walls. Yeah, I'm really happy with this one. All right, I'm gonna give it a good torch, touch up my edges if I need to, and then I'll show you what it looks like wet. I mean, I really like this one. I think I don't know if I like this one better. This one's like blown out with a little bit more color, but here, I'll show you that piece up there. Look at that. What? And then there's the gold up there. So I'll just take you in from the side on down. I like the combination of the soft and the dark and the beautiful cells. That's why I was so interested in making this course, because I'm learning a lot about the chemistry and physics to be able to teach it to you. So I really like it. There's that side up there. And you see my colors did not mix to a muddy color, and pink and green can do that. But I kept them a little bit separated, and I didn't overwork them. So there you have it. I will let you know how this one dries. Here they are. I love them. I'll take you in on each one, and then I will show you the shine. So here they are. Here's that little part that I loved. It dried the same. The cells, cellular reactions, I should say, because they're not technically cells. I absolutely love them. I like how some parts are soft. And then that's what I was saying. If you keep the tape there and leave the paint close to the canvas, then you'll get those bright pops of color. Look at that part up there. And then here I will show you the shine. Look at that. So pretty. Well, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you're in the area, you can come and see me at Artigras, and then be on the lookout for more information for the upcoming course. And I just appreciate you all so much. Thank you so much for watching. Happy painting. Bye.